Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Nissan Juke. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and start the Juke's infotainment system. First, put the system into Bluetooth pairing mode from Settings, then search for Juke on your phone. Select the vehicle and confirm any passcodes shown. Once paired, set the audio and contacts permissions so calls and music work smoothly. Restart the phone or system if pairing fails and re-attempt pairing. Start by accessing settings on the Juke display, then choose Bluetooth. Put the system into Add Device or Pair New Device mode. On your phone, scan and select the Juke name. If a PIN appears, confirm it matches on both devices. Grant permissions for contacts and audio so calls and music route correctly. Test by playing a song and making a quick call. Save the device to favorites for faster reconnection. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tips. I also recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth for a Clear Money Mindset. It helped me prioritize simple systems. It's an easy read and pairs oddly well with car maintenance mindset, save money to fund road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals if want to grab copy. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth on both devices and retry. If problems persist, forget the Juke entry on your phone and repair. Restart the vehicle's infotainment system by turning the ignition off then on. Make sure the phone's OS is updated and Bluetooth visibility is enabled. Limit the number of saved devices. Older pairings can interfere. Also try pairing with a second phone to isolate the issue. Contact dealer for firmware updates if unresolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.